Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Literary Day with English O'Clock. हमने ऑलरेडी फ्लेमिंगो कंप्लीट कर लिया, तो आज हम विस्तास स्टार्ट करेंगे. विस्तास का एक बार इंडेक्स देख लेते हैं. हमारे पास 8 चैप्टर्स हैं विस्तास में. ये पुराने वाला इंडेक्स है, बल्कि इस 2024 वाले सेशन में जो हमारे पास सिलेबस है उसमें हमारे पास शुड विजर्ड हिट मॉमी एंड एवेंस ट्राइज ओ लेवल, ये दोनों चैप्टर्स नहीं हैं. सो इन टोटल हमारे पास सिर्फ 6 चैप्टर्स हैं. एंड एज I've ऑलरेडी सेड, आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्रॉमिस यू कि मैं ट्राई करूँगी, मैं पूरा इंश्योर करूँगी दैट ये चैप्टर्स आपके बोर्ड से पहले कंप्लीट हो जाए और आपको इनफ PYQs भी मिल जाए. चलो, विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वेरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर, दैट्स द थर्ड लेवल. Now third level has been written by Jack Finney, and throughout जब भी हम चैप्टर पढ़ रहे हैं, just understand this, the chapter is all about escapism. When I say escapism, I mean to say, see, हम सबके पास हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ हमारा hobbies होती हैं. We all have either our hobbies or maybe something which we find really we enjoy doing that. It's kind of a leisure activity. For example, some people might enjoy painting, some people might enjoy collecting stamps, collecting coins, traveling, any of the thing. उसका बस ये मतलब है that the pleasure it is we are getting out of it, it is actually eternal. It is an everlasting pleasure, and no matter कितना भी हम sad हो, कितना भी upset हो, ये pleasure कभी कम नहीं होगा. एंड ये हमें एक एस्केप देगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम मूवी देखने जाते हैं, ठीक है, जब हम थिएटर में जाते हैं तो वी क्राई व्हेन आवर हीरो इज क्राइंग, व्हेन अ हीरो इज गेटिंग बीटन, दो वी डोंट नो द पर्सन, बट हम क्राई करते हैं. तो एक तरह से वो 2-1.5 घंटे हमारी जो डेली लाइफ है, हमारी जो मंडेन डिफिकल्ट लाइफ है, टायर्ड केओटिक बिजी लाइफ है, उससे एक एस्केप है. सो एस्केपिज्म, इसको ध्यान रखना प्लस. ठीक है. Have you ever had any curious experience which others find hard to believe? ठीक है. The presidents of the New York Central and the New York New Haven, these are all places, and Hartford Railroads will swear on a stack of timetables that there are only 2. 2 का मतलब है यहाँ पे अभी पढ़ते हैं हम नेक्स्ट में, अभी नेक्स्ट लाइन में समझ आ जाएगा. बट आई हैव बीन देयर आर 3 बिकॉज आई हैव बीन टू द थर्ड लेवल ऑफ द ग्रैंड सेंट्रल स्टेशन. सो वॉट वी हैव द पर्सन, द प्रोटैगनिस्ट, द main character, his name is Charlie, and Charlie says that I've been to the third level of the Grand Central Station. Third level को आप एक तरीके से floor समझ सकते हो, but the author is saying that anybody can swear by it. कोई भी कसम खा लेगा कि सिर्फ 2 ही है, but Charlie has been to the third level. So I have taken the obvious step. I have talked to the psychiatrist friend of mine. The psychiatrist friend is Sam. That's the name of the friend. वो भी आएगा यहाँ पे. I told him that the third level at Grand Central Station, and he said that it was a waking dream wish fulfillment. ये बहुत बार क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्टली पूछ लेते हैं. Waking dream wish fulfillment का मतलब है that you are dreaming with open eyes and you become really happy when you see your dreams coming true. He said I was unhappy. That made my wife kind of mad, but he explained that he meant, बहुत important line है again, that the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, war, worry and the rest of it, and that is all I want to escape. Now understand, we as modern man, we are a byproduct of all wars, civil wars, 2 world wars. हम इन सब के byproduct हैं. We have seen so many things. अब तो हम कोविड के byproduct हैं. We are a resultant. हमने कोविड भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है. तो a modern man, a modern life is filled with insecurity, fear, war, worry. तो हमें अगर एक ऑप्शन मिलेगा, एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, we will not leave that opportunity. We will not leave any stone unturned to grab that opportunity and escape. एकदम भागने का हम हमेशा रेडी रहेंगे. तो सिमिलरली जो सैम है, द साइकाइट्रिस्ट, he has diagnosed this, that Charlie is actually a modern man and he wants to escape, and that is why एक third level उसकी hallucination है. Third level is something which he has imagined. Well, who doesn't? Everybody I know wants to escape, but they don't wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station. But that's the reason, he said, that all my friends all agreed. Everyone points to this, he claimed. My stamp collecting, for example, जैसे मैंने आपको अभी बताया था, hobbies आपकी, they are a part of escaping. आप journaling करते हो, आप reading करते हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो for that matter. So temporary refuge from reality. For a very brief period of time, you are just staying away from reality. आई होप कि समझ आ रहा हूँ. मैंने स्पेशली 1 मिनट लगा के पहले बैकग्राउंड दिया. बैकग्राउंड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो बार बार मुझे सेम चीज़ नहीं एक्सप्लेन करनी पड़ेगी. और आपका बेस बन जाएगा टू जस्ट बिल्ड अप ऑन द स्टोरी. Things were very pretty nice. Things were pretty nice and peaceful in his day, from all I hear. And he started my collection. It's a nice collection too. Blocks of 4 of practically every US issue, first day covers and so on. First day cover are basically जो पहले दिन की stamp होती है. What stamp collectors do, they just send themselves a letter, a blank letter of course, और उस पर वो स्टैम्प लगा देते, so that when they receive it तो वो स्टैम्प्ड होती है और वो एकदम न्यू होती है. It is actually Charlie's grandfather who collected stamps, who used to collect stamps, and he has just passed on his collection to his grandson. President Roosevelt collected stamps too, you know. Anyway, here's what happened at Grand Central Station. अब वो describe कर रहा है Grand Central Station. One night last summer, I worked late at the office. I was in a hurry to get uptown to my apartment, so I decided to take the subway from Grand Central Station because it's faster than the bus. Now, I don't know why this should have happened to me. I'm just an ordinary guy named Charlie, 31 years old, and I was wearing a tan gabardine suit and a straw hat with a fancy band. Now, देखो पूरा, this is Charlie. You can very well understand him using the picture. I passed a dozen of men who looked just like me, and I wasn't trying to escape from anything. I just wanted to go home to my wife, Louisa. So Louisa is the wife. He was saying that there were so many people. ये देखो ये इतना ज़्यादा people हैं. But still I felt this. I experienced this. And he wants to say that why am I different and what makes me different कि सिर्फ मैंने ये experience किया. Even though there were multiple people there. I turned into Grand Central Station from Vanderbilt Avenue and went down the steps to the first level, where you take trains like the 20th century. Then I walked down on the flight to the second level, where the suburban trains leave from, ducked into an arched doorway heading for the subway, and got lost. This is important. Got lost. That's easy to do. I have been in and out of Grand Central Station hundreds of times, but I'm always bumping into new doorways and stairs and corridors. Once I got into a tunnel about a mile long and came out in the lobby of Roosevelt Hotel. Another time I came up in an office building on 46th Street, 3 blocks away. Sometimes I think Grand Central Station is growing like a tree. See, if you could identify clearly, this is actually a simile wherein Grand Central Station has been compared to a tree. कि जैसे ट्री की ब्रांचेस होती हैं और वो एकदम ग्रो करती रहती है, सिमिलरली न्यू कॉरिडोर्स और न्यू स्टेयरकेसेस हमेशा इसमें से बने जा रहे हैं. इफ़ यू हैव एवर बीन टू सीपी, बहुत सिंपल है, आप कभी सीपी पे एग्जैक्ट प्लेस पे पहुंच ही नहीं सकते. दैट सर्कल यू जस्ट कीप ऑन, यू विल फील लॉस्ट. इतना बड़ा है, मेज की तरह समझ लो थोड़ा सा. मेज इज जिक्सॉ पजल टाइप्स, ठीक है, पजल टाइप्स. Pushing out new corridors and staircases like routes. There's probably a long tunnel that nobody knows about, feeling its way under the city right now, on its way to Times Square and maybe another to Central Park. And maybe because for so many people through the years, Grand Central Station has been an exit, a way to escape. So, basically, Grand Central Station is actually a medium to escape, right? And that medium could be for him and could be for others as well. Maybe that's how the tunnel I got into it. But I never told my psychiatrist friend about that idea. अगर ये भी बता देता तो वो तो बिल्कुल सोचता है कि ये पागल है, मेंटल केस है इसका. The corridor I was in began angling left and slanting downwards, and I thought I was wrong, but I kept on walking. All I could hear was the empty sound of my own footsteps, and I didn't pass a soul. So it was quite empty. Then I heard that sort of hollow roar ahead. That means open space and people talking. The tunnel turned sharp left. I went down a short flight of stairs and came out on the third level at Grand Central Station. For just a moment, I thought I was back on the second level, but I saw the room was smaller. There were fewer ticket windows and train gates. अब ये बहुत important है चीज़ें. But I saw the room was smaller, fewer ticket windows, fewer train gates, and the information booth was of wood and old-fashioned. The man in the booth wore a green eye shade and long sleeve protectors. Lights were dim, sort of flickering. There were open gas flame lights. Now this is the description of third level. This is what he saw. So he's describing it. Just see how intricately he's describing. When I say intricately, I mean to say like how detailed, total description, not even missing a single thing. There were brass spittoons on the floor, and across the station a glint of light caught my eye. A man was pulling a gold watch from his vest pocket, so pocket watch. He snapped open the cover, glanced at his watch, and frowned. He wore a derby hat, a black four-button suit with tiny lapels, and he had a big black handlebar mustache. So, hairstyle, dressing style, fashion, everything was pretty much different. Then I looked around and saw that everyone in the station was dressed like the 1890 something. I never saw so many beards, sideburns, and fancy mustache in my life. Because obviously, अगर अब तो देखोगे the fashion, the 90s fashion is coming back. The bell bottom and everything is just coming back. But and low waist is no longer a fashion, up to oversized and everything is just coming back. So ऐसे he could see that people are actually dressed in old fashioned way. A woman walked in through the train gate. She wore a dress with leg of mutton sleeves and skirts to the bottom of her high button shoes. Back of her, out on the track, I caught a glimpse of a locomotive. Locomotive is like a vehicle. A small Currier and Ives locomotive with a funnel shaped stack, and then I knew. To make sure, I walked over to a newsboy and glanced at the stack of papers at his feet. It was The World. The World hasn't been published for years. The lead story said something about President Cleveland. I found that front page since in the public library files, and it was printed June 11, 1894. So basically, he said that what I realized that I was in the year 1894, and he kind of confirmed this from the newspaper. I turned towards the ticket windows, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central Station, I could buy tickets that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the US we want to go. In the year 1894, and I wanted 2 tickets to Galesburg. Now you would see how he would just be nostalgic of his childhood. Have you ever been there? It's a wonderful. It's important. Okay, this part is important. It's a wonderful town still with big old frame houses, huge lawns, and tremendous trees whose branches meet overhead and roof the streets. And in 1894, summer evenings were twice as long and people sat out on their lawns. The men smoking cigars and talking quietly, the women waving palm leaf fans with the fireflies all around, in a peaceful world. To be back there with the First World War still 20 years off and the Second World War some 40 years away in the future. I wanted 2 tickets for that. अब देखो इसी लाइन से पता लग जाएगा that no matter how so ever he wanted to escape, but यहाँ पे बात आ गई नहीं कि फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर अभी 20 साल बाद है एंड सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वॉर अभी 40 years बाद है. So he wanted to escape to that place wherein he would be away from all the war aftermath. He wished to escape. He wanted to escape and not be a part of the war's aftermath. The clerk figured the fare. He glanced at my fancy headband, but he figured the fare. Sorry. But he figured the fare. This is the fee, right? Fare and fare. This is the fare. Jo, it's a mela vela lagta hai types. And this fare is the money, the fee. And I had enough for 2 coach tickets one way. But when I counted out the money and looked up, the clerk was staring at me. He nodded at the bills. That ain't money, mister, he said. And if you're trying to skin me, you won't get any far. Skin me is like if you're trying to cheat me. And he glanced at the cash drawer beside him. Of course, the money was old style bills, half again as big as money we use nowadays and different looking. I turned away and got out fast. There's nothing nice about jail, even in 1894. So this man, he understood that oh, currency की problem है, ये तो पुराने वाली currency है. So now, what he's going to do is, and that was that. I left the same way I came, I suppose. Next day during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of my bank, nearly all that we had, and bought old style currency. That really worried my psychiatrist friend. You can buy old currency at almost any coin dealer, but you have to pay a premium. My $300 bought less than 200 in old style currency, but I didn't care. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894. अगर अब आपके पास कुछ 1,000 रुपीज़ होंगे. सो 50 years बैक वो 1,000 रुपीज़ भी बहुत लाइक करोड़ों के पे थे. ठीक है. ऐसे लेटली आई सॉ अ पोस्ट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम वेयर इन इट वॉज लाइक 18 रुपीज़ की साइकिल है. नाउ तो यू कैन नॉट इवन गेट अ साइकिल फॉर 1,800. राइट, इट्स जस्ट 100 times. अब 18,000 की साइकिल ले रहे हैं लोग. तो सिमिलरली वो बोल रहा है कि $200 मुझे मिले क्योंकि आई हैड टू पे दैट प्राइस, बट $200 भी इनफ है मेरे लिए बिकॉज वो बहुत लाइक सस्ता है उस टाइम का लाइफ स्टाइल, चीपर है. But I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at Grand Central Station, although I have tried often enough. So he never found the corridor. कभी मिला नहीं उसको दोबारा. Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this and didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. And after a while I stopped. I went back to my stamps. But now both of us were looking every weekend because now we have a proof that the third level is still there. क्या proof है? देखो अब. My friend Sam Wiener, he's the psychiatrist, disappeared. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam's a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. I went to school there and he always said he liked the sound of the place and that's where he is all right in 1894. Now देखो कितनी irony वाली बात है that he is a psychiatrist. अगर he is diagnosing that people are having multiple issues like modern man's insecurity and all of that, वो तो साइकाइट्रिस्ट है, उसके पास तो 2x issues होंगे. पीपल आर कमिंग विद सो मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स, सो मेनी ट्रॉमास एंड वॉट नॉट. सो अब इसको कैसे बिलीव हुआ, चार्ली को कैसे बिलीव हुआ दैट सैम हैज वेंट देयर? बिकॉज वन नाइट फसिंग विद माई स्टैम्प कलेक्शन आई फाउंड, वेल डू यू नो व्हाट अ फर्स्ट डे कवर इज? मैंने आपको अभी बताया. When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of the sale, and the postmark proves the date. ठीक है, खाली है वो. ठीक है, खाली होता है वो लेटर में कुछ नहीं होता, बस स्टैम्प लग जाती है तो आपके पास डेट आ जाती है. The envelope is called a first day cover. They are never opened. You just put blank paper in that envelope. That night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there. But there it was. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. That's what the address on the envelope said, and it had been there since July 1894. ठीक है. देखो यहाँ पे अगर आपको याद होगा तो न्यूज़पेपर पे डेट थी June 11. यहाँ पे अब जुलाई 1894 हो गई है. The postmark showed that, yet I didn't remember it at all. The stamp was a 6-cent dull brown with a picture of President Garfield. Naturally, when the envelope came to Grandad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there till I took it out and opened it. अब लेटर तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है बोर्ड्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. अब लेटर लॉजिकली तो ब्लैंक होना चाहिए, बट इट वॉज नॉट ब्लैंक. इट हैड समथिंग इन इट. अब क्या था उसमें? देखो, 941 विलियर्ड स्ट्रीट, गेल्सबर्ग, इलिनॉयस, 18 July 1894. Charlie, I got to wishing that you were right. Then I got to believing you were right. And Charlie, it's true. I found the third level. I have been here for 2 weeks. And right now, down the street at Dally's, someone is playing a piano and they are all out on the front porch singing Sing Nelly Home. And I'm invited over for lemonade. Come on back, Charlie and Louisa. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth it, believe me. The note is signed by Sam. At the stamp and coin store I go to, I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency. That ought to set him up a nice little hay feed and grain business. He always said that's what he really wished he could do, and he certainly can't go back to his old business. Not in Galesburg, Illinois. His old business, why? Sam was a psychiatrist. Of course, people are happy there. Nobody would want a psychiatrist. Nobody would have issues, mental issues, or nobody would have anxiety. All these things. किसके पास होगी नहीं? वर्ल्ड वॉर किसने देखी नहीं है? वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 नहीं देखी है? There are just a lot of solidarity. There's a lot of brotherhood, fellowship. सब एकदम neighborhood enjoy कर रहे हैं, fun में हैं, sun bathing कर रहे हैं and what not. So why would people be needing a psychiatrist? See, nobody would be requiring a psychiatrist. और $800 तो मोर देन इनफ है. वो बहुत ही बढ़िया बिजनेस सेट कर लेगा. ठीक है. दिस इज ऑल योर चैप्टर. इट इज़ क्वाइट एन इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर दो, आई वुड से है इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel English O'Clock. And I'm going to discuss PYQs and important questions of the very same chapter tomorrow. So make sure you watch tomorrow's video as well. And stay tuned. Very less time is left for board. So please gear up. Don't miss the videos and make sure that you attempt the questions that I've already posted on my channel in my previous videos. And feel free to comment, feel free to ask queries, because जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतनी ही आपकी क्वेरीज सॉल्व होंगी. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. See you tomorrow.